What a move here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to test key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator here early on in the first half of the day. And you could see it here sent over to our Discord at 11:15 a.m. That bull indicator did not get canceled by a bear indicator till 3:15 p.m., lasting nearly all day and pushing up from this level of 526 all the way up to highs up here of 530 and even 531, guys. And call options went up over 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain access to our 42 vision indicators and our inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and joining the members using 42 vision to maximize whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can receive the edge and clarity within the volatility to better see the strength of trends and supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow indicators, which I'm going to pull up in just a moment. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. So here we are with the bull indicator that was pretty strong here all day, but now we came back down and tested that level after getting a bear indicator here at 528, guys. And you could see the multiple rejections here on the 5-minute. And if we pull up the 15-minute, it's still under a bull indicator, and it's going to be crucial to watch if a bear indicator pops up to cancel it. And then you have the 30-minute here under a bear indicator, since down here at 527 when it dropped all the way down to the lows of the day at 524 and bounced back up. This was not justifiable so far because no bull indicator has popped up in the process, and this bear indicator has been dominating. So in the lower time frames and in the volatility, yes, we're seeing some strength there on that move, and it presented an opportunity to the upside, but on the way back down so far, the bear indicator is still dominating and has not been canceled. And when you go ahead and look at the 1 hour, it's been under a bear indicator since yesterday at 537, and then we're down here at key levels, which I'm going to pull up those inflow versus outflows so you could see much more clearly those supports and resistance, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 vision to better see the strength of trends with the bull and bear indicators and the inflow versus outflow to see the supports and resistance and the amount of strength of those flows, right? When outflows are dominating or even inflows are dominating. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 vision to maximize in the volatility and through the charts and markets. So here we are with the 1 hour showing a strong outflow here, slightly below a historic level of outflow since way back here at 550, way back at the area here of March 31st and even March 28th. Since then, we've been below that. So now there's another outflow level here, and if the supports get broken through, which is 520 and all the way down here at 510, you have that strong inflow level where things actually bounced up to not ignore. And that's where that strong bull indicator popped up as well to get tested. And it starts off at that 495 all the way down to 485 level, which are some of the lowest points that we've seen on this drop on the SPY since the recent all-time highs above 600. So definitely levels to not ignore. Now let's zoom in and look at this clearly, what's going on. So the 30-minute, we have a lot of levels here, and we're within a range where those inflows have been fighting here, guys. But now we're back under a bear indicator. So this bear indicator, if it continues to dominate, which I'll be watching going into tomorrow, the first support I'm going to be watching is 520. Okay, and if that gets broken through, then we have the next level down here at 510. Now to the upside, we want to see a bull indicator pop up to justify the move to the upside and cancel this bear indicator and go ahead and align with the 15-minute and the 5-minute bull indicators in the charts, right? Because right now the 5 minutes under a bear indicator, but if it starts to reverse, it could pop up with the bull indicator really quickly, and then the 15-minute can align, and then we want to see that roll over into the 30-minute. And the first resistance is up here near the highs of the day of 531, and then the first outflow level there where things accelerated yesterday, which is 532 to 535. We broke that down in yesterday's video. And if this bull indicator continues strong and rolls over into the 30-minute, the 1 hour, the next resistance is up here at 538 to 539, and then I'll be watching and reassessing above those levels, above 540, the 545 to 547 level, guys. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows really paint that picture of strength. You could see that there, of those outflows dominating, right? Red is outflows dominating, indigo blue, purple is inflows, and you could see the times inflows are dominating, how things push up, and the times where outflows are dominating, how things push down. And then it creates areas of support and resistance that are critical, because if 520 gets broken through, that's the only real support here, an area of where inflows really picked up to continue the push up to 542. And if that one breaks, then you have gaps to fill to the downside, such as 510, and then all the way down where things actually started to run, where we ran all the way up right to 540. So definitely levels to not ignore, and that's what the support and resistance levels of inflow versus outflow bring, plus the extra layers of confirmation of strength of trend with our bull and bear indicators. So if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to join the community of members using 42 Vision to maximize over the charts volatility and the stocks and market, and you can now gain access to it and gain that edge. The link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected, guys, and I look forward to getting you guys all equipped and joining us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.